Welcome to the magical world of nature, where adventure awaits around every corner. Look at these amazing plants. Did you know some can grow really tall like trees? Here's a colorful flower. Bees love them because they make sweet honey. Let's explore a giant leaf. It's like a natural umbrella for tiny creatures. Oh, look at those vines. They twist and turn, climbing high to reach the sun. Did you see that mushroom? Some are friendly, but others are super yucky. Now, check out this grass. It tickles our feet when we run through it. Wow, a sparkling stream. It's home to fish that love to splash around. Nature loves colors. Look at all the beautiful butterflies dancing. Have you ever seen a tree with knots? Each one tells a story of its life.